Wagwan.
Wagwan.
You're supposed to say Wagwan massive. Ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan massive.
You don't know say your girl Whitney.
It's your boy Jessie.
And it's Devontae here.
Yeah, and today we are back with another video. You don't know from your siwi, I'll be a something I go on. But today's video, guys, is, you already know, this is my brother and this is my husband. So we gonna see, you know, put them to the test, who knows more better, okay? So pretty much it's gonna be a who knows me better video, but we gonna put a little twist on it, a little spin, you know. I'm gonna ask some questions of would I rather. So I'm gonna give them like 2 options of things and they gotta say which one they think I would rather. So that's how we gonna find out who knows me better today. All right. When you ready?
Let's get it.
Yeah. All right. Let's jump straight tonight. See, I got my little notepad. I got to squeeze it so they can't see. First question is, would I rather $1 million or to be with my family?
Is that A or B?
Yes. So A is $1 million. B is to be with my family.
Let me know when you're ready.
Y'all ready?
Ready?
Yeah,
Be quick.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Show the answer. What? Dog, money over family? Are you kidding me?
This. I chose B, by the way.
So you gotta write out. So B, you saying I would rather my family, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Ding, 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 ding. Dog, really?
1 point.
You get money, you can send it to it.
Dog.
You're naughty.
You can't tell me how to
money
feel.
to send it to it.
You can't tell me how to feel. Me da rather there with my family than $1 million. Me not tell no lie. Cause me can get back a next million, but me might not get the moment with my family. You understand? We don't live forever, so.
He said the money, so you can send it to him.
You see this? Y'all hear this? Second question. This one is, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and ask it. Would I rather to have 2 boys or 2 girls? Kids. We talking about kids.
So A or B?
Yep. So 2 boys or 2 girls. Let's see who know the answer to this. Oh, where you scribble?
Ready?
2 boys or 2 girls. 3, 2, 1. Show it. Are you kidding me, bro? 2 girls? You think I want 2 girls? Bala, oh, you finna know more. Ding, 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 ding. He got it right. I would rather 2 boys.
It's probably too bright, y'all. Y'all probably can't even see this.
I would rather 2 boys. He said girls, y'all. I'm really like sitting here like. No, we never talked about that. We talked about that?
I don't know.
Babe.
All of us together?
No, me and you talked about
Me
that
and
I
you
wanted
talk-
2 boys.
No, we didn't talk about you wanting 2 boys.
Okay, right. Whatever. You losing, so that's why you saying that.
Yeah, keep score.
Oh, Jessie got 2 right so far, and you got none. So 2-0 in our football terms. All right. Third question is, would I rather touch a dog or drink Mayo?
So A or B?
So A is touch a dog, B is drink Mayo.
It's easy.
I'm curious to see what y'all gonna say.
Alright, are you ready?
3, 2, 1. Review. Mayo. All right, both of y'all got it right. All right.
1-1.
1-1. See there? Yeah. Fourth one is, would I rather a Audi or a BMW?
So A or B?
So A is Audi, B is for BMW. One that will get that one here, right? Mm. 3, 2, 1. Reveal. Ding, 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 ding. I would rather Audi or Howdy. That's how they say it, but we say
Howdy?
Audi. Yeah, that's how it's pronounced. But we don't rather Audi. We're not telling a lie. I like to look at, four circle, like the Olympics. Yeah, you know what I mean? Feel like a champ star driving a 5. Oh, 5. 5 rings. But I mean, they both nice cars. If I get either one, I'm taking it. But my preference is an Audi. So, Devante. Next one for Jessie. Next question. Would I rather green hair or blue hair? So green is for A. Babe, you gotta write the answers out. Stop writing the A and B. You gotta write the answers out, man. Stop being a little lazy.
A and B.
You being lazy. You the one who came up with
y'all
that.
the one who said A and B.
Did he say? Oh,
Did y'all say A and B?
Green or blue ear?
Oh, she made me write down the wrong answer.
3, 2, 1. Reveal. Dog, two of them get it right. What? A lie. So 1 point for you, 1 point for you. All right. Don't think
Didn't
you
y'all
me.
say A or B?
No, you said that.
Then we in the beginning, you say A or B, right?
Nigga,
Exactly.
we ain't said that.
Yeah, you did.
You know what? Y'all ain't for the gang on me. All right. Would I rather sneakers or slippers? Like sandals. Would I rather sneakers or sandals?
What?
Would I rather wear sneakers or sandals?
It's like in the winter or in the summer or what? Just in
Whenever, just in general. Like, what is my preference?
general? I guess. All right.
Sneakers or sandals?
All right, when you ready?
3, 2, reveal. I forgot the one. My bad.
I'm gonna say this answer because
Y'all both
you're
got it
lazy.
right.
Too lazy to
What?
put on shoes.
That is a
You
lie.
want to slip on some sandals. Real
Y'all
quick.
both got it right though. They both said sandals or slippers. Whatever. Number 7. Would I rather a 3-day vacation in Jamaica or Dubai? Dog, don't try nobody get it wrong, you know. That me I telling you, you know. Make sure say it right. Oh.
You ready?
You ready? 3, 2, 1. Reveal. It's on the run. Two of them said Jamaica. On the wrong, bang. I can go Jamaica anytime. If somebody give me a vacation for go Dubai and Jamaica, I take Dubai. I want to know. My born in Jamaica, I can go anytime. 0, 0. 2 on the wrong. Next question. Would I rather be an actress or a singer? What? Like you know the answer already? Y'all ready?
All right, ready?
3, 2, 1. Reveal. No, Jessie, you can't do me so. Actor or actress,
Yeah.
sir? Actress because me can't sing. Styling thing.
No, true. You can't sing.
Dog, you hurt my feelings. How am I do?
I mean, so like it.
Mer.
Our neighbor
Shim.
starts stumping upstairs when she's singing in the shower.
You know what? Whatever. Y'all right though. Y'all right. But I ain't. I'm talking about the.
No, you
I
right
would
about
rather
it.
be
You can't
a
say
look.
it, but-
No, that ain't why. That ain't why. You know what I'm saying?
Hit us- hit a note
if you
for
were
us.
act.
Hit a
No,
note
that
for
ain't
us.
why. Let me explain.
Hit a note for us.
If you a singer,
y'all
you
TVs
gotta
down for this
eventually
one.
be in
Hit
front
a
of a
note
whole
for
bunch
us.
of people performing. When you an actor, you can be on a set. You don't have to be in front of no people. I get nervous around
They
people.
got theater.
Like I
on the
said,
stage.
You don't necessarily have to be
Oh,
around
okay.
people though.
Okay.
It could just be the camera crew and you. Look,
Hit
I
a high
got,
note.
you know,
Hit a note for us. Real quick.
whatever. Y'all both got it right, so I ain't even gonna. No. I ain't gonna let y'all see my greatness right now. Next one. Would I rather a smoothie or a milkshake? Let's see who knows the I and I better.
You ready?
Oh, you can repeat it.
3, 2, 1, reveal. What? Now go on, man. Smoothie is correct. Ding, 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 ding. All right, 1-on-1. Una go on, good man. Yeah. All right. That one I kind of tricky, no star. Let me see what I get it still. Would I rather have no teeth or no eyebrows? If I had to choose, what you think I would choose? No
That's
teeth
some
or
weird
no
stuff.
eyebrows?
Y'all see this?
That ain't weird.
All right.
Mm.
Okay.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick. I feel like we on Jeopardy, or what is it called? That one show. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Reveal. My dog, is still alright? No eyebrows, cause you can draw them up.
Same thing. Same thing I was thinking.
Really? That's how y'all feel? But you right though.
A little bit mental.
Y'all right though. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all that one. They said no eyebrows, y'all. Alright, the next one. That one that kinda odd still in a car. You know more well. I not even know what to say, y'all star. Alright, next one. Would I rather oxtails or curry goat? That one that kinda tricky.
Ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Reveal! Dog said curry goat, dog said oxtail. I'm not telling a lie still. I love the oxtail, you know. But I rather the curry goat still, so you get that one there. 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 Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, we are curry people, but yeah.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie. I love me some oxtails though. I do. I love them both, but if I had to pick, like, it was my last, like, I ain't had no choice, I'm taking the curry goat.
All right.
All
What
right.
you say curry goat?
I did. I said curry goat or oxtail. What you thought I
curry
said?
chicken.
Hell no. I would have said
I thought you
oxtails.
said curry chicken. All right. All right. I like curry goat better too. So.
No.
All right. Let's get it. Next question.
The last one. This is the last question,
The
y'all.
last melon.
The last one. Let's see who knows me better.
Last melon.
Okay. Would I rather to go without getting my hair done or go without getting my nails done?
That one's simple.
3, 2, 1. That money I write that with a paragraph, yo.
I forget it.
Yo, he writing a paragraph. 3, 2, 1. Reveal. Nails, hair because you're weird.
Damn.
First of all, getting a wig is still getting my hair done.
No, you have natural ear, so
No.
natural ear
No.
different. You can make your wig different.
I do make my wigs.
Yeah, let me see it.
Anyways,
Her nails be looking raggedy most of the time.
so y'all just gonna blaze me? Really? I feel some type of way. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, you talk about my nails raggedy. My nails ain't raggedy at all, baby.
Right now they're not. But normally, the hair be done. She be missing a nail. You know.
Well, that ain't my fault. Things happen. That's why you get repairs and fill-ins. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Anyways, Jessie is right on this one. Because wig no caught my brother. I can't say wig because I still get my ear done that.
I know your ear.
I'm behooved.
So who's the champion?
Let's see.
Jessie win. Maybe it's a 3.
I think Jessie won this one. I ain't go. Hold on. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 3, 7. That ain't bad though. He got 10. He got 7 points. That ain't bad. That's 3 points apart. You know, y'all still know me good. You know, I'm just gonna let that little shade slide past that y'all throwing at me. You know what I'm saying? Right now, at least. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video.
For sure. We appreciate it, y'all.
Yes.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. We definitely enjoyed it. I'm the champion. As usual. You guys already know.
Whatever, Jessie. You got anything you want to say before we end
Jessie
this?
is the winner.
Later, guys.
Later, guys. He's so dry, y'all. Him come like, I not even know if it one dry piece of bread. Bread never stuck in your throat yet. And it just dry, just a scrape your throat. I saw him dry. Man say later, guys. What that, dog? What that?
Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I like football.
This nigga say I like football. That's it?
I like games, drawing sometimes. That's it.
That's it.
When they say football, he mean like soccer football.
First of
I mean
all,
football.
football.
Like U.S. soccer.
No, y'all say it wrong. It ain't soccer, it's
Not
football.
our football.
Football.
They
is
football.
Football, cause use your feet.
Exactly. I
But
second that.
But our version of their football is soccer. So that's what he's talking about. You're not talking about our. You're not talking
World's
NFL.
football. is
Everybody
soccer.
else call it football.
Everybody else
America's
call
the
it football.
only country that say soccer. Don't know why or how y'all got that name,
Because
but it's football. You use your foot for it, so it's football.
Because we are great.
I feel the same way, bro. I just be just looking. Okay, Jessie, I guess.
America is the greatest country on earth.
You better stop.
Okay?
You better stop. You better stop before you get our video flagged. You better chill out. Don't even. Y'all don't pay no attention to that. Matter of fact, we need to crop that out because you ain't finna get our video flagged. But yes, guys, thank you so much for sticking with us. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing. Just continue to do those things for us. And we appreciate you. Thank you.
All right.
Till next time.
You say don't forget to like, subscribe, share. You have to look for that.
Oh, you can say it. I forgot about that. I don't remember.
All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And
You will have good luck for the rest of this year.
all right.
2020 hit us hard, man. We got to pray for the best. Good luck, okay?
We'll see
Shit.
what happens with 2020, man. No, we'll see what happens with 2021.
Yep.
Man.
So, yep.
My shirt too tight, y'all gotta sit here. Because if you move, they gonna see how fucking small the shirt is.
Doug, where's the shirt tight?
Wait. You already know what time it is. Before we go, motivational quote of the day. Short and simple, guys. Do not let too much of yesterday take over today, okay? You can't control the past. You can't control what happened yesterday, last week, last month, last year. But you can control what happens today, all right? If you're so focused on the past, you won't be able to focus on the future. So you guys focus on your future, all right? Have a blessed one. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time.